is Mani and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to discuss the list of the universities which are very important for Romania. I have been receiving a lot of messages for the student for the list of the university where they can get admission in Romania. And most importantly, in European Union, if you wanted to go, I would prefer Romania would be one of the very good option, and it is better than other countries like Kazakhstan, Russia and many more. And the quality of education is also good. I have seen a lot of doctors migrating from Romania to Germany for their MD. So in this video, you're going to see a university, their fee structure and their intakes. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.